In November 2013, the Hyosung Chemical research team was thrilled as they finally succeeded in developing a new material that they had been researching since 2004. This material, polyketone, small and round object that has excellent physical properties and is eco-friendly. It is developed by Hyosung Chemical, and it has captured the hearts of companies and brands in the engineering plastic market. But how is it made? Polyketone is made of 3 raw materials: carbon monoxide, ethylene, and propylene. Well, there is a word you must be familiar with: carbon monoxide. Hyosung Chemical uses carbon monoxide as a raw material to make an eco-friendly material, melting these raw materials, drawing reactions, and even adding solvents and catalysts that mix all the ingredients well. All ingredients are put into a reactor and go through heat and pressure. Just like cooking, they are mixed enough to react well. Once a reaction occurs, they are put into a centrifuge and dehydrated. During the dehydration process, methanol is removed, and only polyketones in a moist, powdery state remain. And once this damp powder is dried over 2 times, it becomes dried polyketone powder. But wait, the polyketone we know was a solid mass, not a powder. Yes, that's right. It's not done yet. The polyketone powder is then moved to the extrusion sector, and then the additives, such as heat stabilizers and antioxidants, are added to be melted together. As the word extrusion literally means, in this process, the polyketone is pressed and pulled out. After pulling out well-dissolved polyketone in the form of a long stick, it is chopped into fine pellets. Finally, these pellets go through inspection to filter out defects and are then packed. As such, the eco-friendly plastic polyketone will undergo another journey into a new product. Then, what kinds of products will the polyketone be born into? With its excellent human harmlessness and eco-friendliness, it is widely used for toys for children. In particular, polyketone is not only used in ATM gears because of its excellent abrasion resistance, but also has excellent insulation properties. So it is used in automobiles, electrical and electronic products. As such, polyketone is used in various fields. It is widely used in industry and daily in life. Hyosung Chemical is not satisfied and continues to strive to make polyketone a better material. We strive to minimize carbon emissions from polyketone production. Even now, compared to other materials, the amount of carbon dioxide generated during the production process of polyketone is very small. Furthermore, we are constantly developing ways to convert carbon monoxide used in polyketone production into eco-friendly carbon monoxide by collecting CO2 emitted from the power plant and processing it. Please keep an eye on us and see what innovation we can make.